Hello all. I want to talk about how to get free Microsoft Office like Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, and to download that on your computer. Many of you who come to the college and you have sat down in face-to-face classes, or you already know that you get a free Microsoft Office. You can install it on your computer and then by doing so, here it is, Office 365 apps. If I click here, it will download it on my computer, and it stays on our computer permanently. And therefore, if you decide to buy it from Microsoft or to buy it from vendors, you end up paying almost $60, $70 a year, and that's a lot of money. And in fact, that's an annual subscription, which means every year you have to pay 60, $70. However, if you download it from here, it will be free. And someone told me you can download it on 5 different computers. It's a great deal if you can download it in 5 different computers. Imagine that. That means every year, 5 times 60, $300, and it is permanent. Therefore, it's a great service. Microsoft has a contract with colleges and universities where the students and faculty can download this. And also, while you are on the site, yes, sometimes you might decide not to. I strongly recommend that you all download this. But you might have gone, suppose, to your friend's house, and your friend doesn't have a Microsoft Office, and because he or she doesn't have Microsoft Office on the computer and doesn't want anyone to download anything on his or her computer, then you can use in your friend's house, or even, excuse me, at your place, you can use the cloud version of it. Suppose if you have to type something, you can come here and click here and click, suppose, general notes, or I had to click on the other one. Well, that's okay. It is opening, and I start typing, and once I close it, it will remain on in my office. And let me bring this one back, and here it is. And if I click here, it brings me back again to where I was. And therefore, I want you just to know, and of course, you come and get your email as well. Just I wanted you to know about this service of Microsoft that is available to students, and therefore it's a great service. And if you have any questions, you let me know. Thank you. And I am going to stop.